welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you an amazing video how to download and install OBS, and I will make a part how to use it afterwards. And like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And now I am recording in my OBS. If I install this, then how I will record. So if you want part, not part, how to use OBS, then subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tell me in the comment section. Okay, so let's start. So we are going in Google. We will search OBS. So here is Open Broadcast System. So we will click that. Mine is Windows 10, you can see. So I will click on Windows 10. So here it will start. I have Kaspersky, that's what it is saying. So you guys have to do keep. In your, it will not show. I will not, I will discard it now because I have OBS on. So it will install. It will first you have to download it, and then you will see a screen like a square, and it will say install. Then you have to click install or whatever it shows. Then wait for it to download. Wait for it to download, and then you can use your OBS Studio. I will make a video on this, how to use OBS Studios. For now, I am showing how to download and install OBS, Open Broadcast System. Not system, software. So, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Comment me in the comment section for more videos. Tell me in the comment section and like this video. Subscribe this channel, and you can see this photo of OBS video. There are more settings on it. I will show afterwards. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.